Ever wondered how 5G could revolutionize the manufacturing industry? First, let's understand the limitations of 4G and 4G LTE. Now, imagine a world with 5G, a technology that promises to overcome these limitations. 5G is not just faster, it's a game changer for industries like manufacturing. Let's explore some use cases of 5G in manufacturing. 5G can enable real-time data analysis, improving efficiency and productivity. It can also support remote operation of machinery, reducing risks and costs. Moreover, 5G can facilitate seamless communication between machines, enhancing automation. 5G can also support augmented reality applications, aiding in training and maintenance. Indeed, 5G is poised to revolutionize manufacturing, making it smarter and more efficient. But the journey to 5G adoption is not without challenges. From infrastructure upgrades to cybersecurity, these challenges must be addressed. Yet, the potential benefits of 5G in manufacturing far outweigh these challenges. So, are you ready to embrace the 5G revolution in manufacturing? The future is here, and it's powered by 5G.